Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I will once again talk about the combination of culture and coastal beauty in the beaches of Barcelona, as I discussed in the previous video. This video is part 2 of it. Before watching, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Beyond sunbathing and swimming, Barcelona's beaches offer a wealth of recreational activities for visitors of all ages. From water sports such as paddleboarding and kayaking to beach volleyball tournaments and yoga sessions, there's no shortage of ways to stay active and entertained along the city's picturesque coastline. With facilities ranging from beachfront bars and restaurants to showers and lifeguard stations, Barcelona's beaches are well equipped to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable experience for beachgoers of all preferences. What truly sets Barcelona's beaches apart, however, is their unique blend of natural beauty and urban flair. Unlike many other coastal destinations where pristine beaches are often located far from city centers, Barcelona's beaches are seamlessly integrated into the fabric of the city itself. With the iconic skyline of Barcelona as a backdrop, beachgoers can enjoy the best of both worlds: the tranquility of the sea and the vibrant energy of the city, all within arm's reach. In conclusion, Barcelona's beaches are more than just sun and sand. They're an essential part of the city's identity and a testament to its dynamic spirit. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or dive headfirst into the excitement of beachfront activities, Barcelona offers a beach experience like no other. So pack your sunscreen, grab your towel, and prepare to discover the beauty and charm of Barcelona's stunning shores. Thanks for watching.